ये भी लिया। महात्मा गांधी में आग लग रही है भाई।
This cash was discovered on March 14, 2025 following a fire at the residence of Delhi High Court Judge Yashwant Verma. Here's how the events unfolded. On March 14, 2025, a fire breaks out at the judge's residence. Firefighters dousing the flames in an outhouse used as a storeroom discover half-burned sacks full of cash. Justice Verma and his wife were in Bhopal at the time. On March 15, Delhi High Court's registrar visits the site, but Justice Verma dismisses the storeroom as a dump for household waste. Meanwhile, a police report confirms the removal of burnt cash and debris. On March 17, Delhi High Court Chief Justice Devendra Kumar Upadhyay meets Justice Verma and shows him videos of the charred notes. Verma says he was being framed. On March 20, Chief Justice of India Sanjeev Khanna is informed. Discussions begin on transferring Verma back to the Allahabad High Court. On March 21, Justice Upadhyay submits a preliminary report to CJI Khanna urging Verma to explain the cash's source and its removal. CJI Khanna also directs Justice Upadhyay to request call records of Verma and officials from the past 6 months, along with details of his staff, security officers and guards during the period. On March 22, Verma denied knowledge of the cash, questioning why it wasn't officially seized. Justice Upadhyay shares Verma's call record details with the Supreme Court. On March 23, the Supreme Court releases an inquiry report. Then a fresh video surfaces showing firefighters pulling out charred cash from the house. One of the men on the spot is heard remarking Mahatma Gandhi has caught fire, a reference to burning notes. But how are cases against judges handled? India's judiciary often investigates its own members internally rather than through criminal prosecution. Past cases show a pattern of internal inquiries led by the Chief Justice of a High Court. Transfers or resignations, judges often resign or are reassigned before facing action. Rare impeachment. No judge has ever been impeached by the Parliament. In 1993, Supreme Court Judge V. Ramaswamy faced impeachment, but the motion failed in the Lok Sabha. In 2011, Calcutta High Court Judge Soumitra Sen resigned after the Rajya Sabha passed an impeachment motion against him. Even when found guilty, judges like P.D. Dinakaran in a land grabbing case and S.N. Shukla in a corruption case faced minimal repercussions. Now CJI Khanna has set up a 3-member committee to investigate the Yashwant Verma case. Whether it leads to real action or follows familiar patterns remains to be seen.